Our planet is covered in pockmarks so deep that they can be seen from space. Some were caused by asteroid strikes, but most are the result of human meddling. Here are some of the most incredible examples of the scarred Earth. 1. Mir Mine, Russia. Mir Mine, also called Mirny Mine, is a former open-pit diamond mine, now inactive, located in Mirny, eastern Siberia, Russia. The mine is 525 meters deep, fourth in the world, and has a diameter of 1,200 meters, and is the second largest excavated hole in the world, after Bingham Canyon Mine. The airspace above the mine is closed for helicopters because of incidents in which they were sucked in by the downward air flow. The Mir Mine was the first and the largest diamond mine in the Soviet Union. Its surface operation lasted 44 years, finally closing in June 2001. 2. Gosses Bluff Crater, Australia. Gosses Bluff, thought to be the eroded remnant of an impact crater. It is located in the southern Northern Territory, near the center of Australia. The original crater rim has been estimated at about 22 kilometers in diameter, but this has been eroded away. The 5 kilometers diameter, 180 meters high crater-like feature, now exposed, is interpreted as the eroded relic of the crater's central uplift. In the past, the crater has been the target of petroleum exploration, and 2 abandoned exploration wells lie near its center. 3. Diavik Diamond Mine, Canada. The Diavik Diamond Mine is a diamond mine in the North Slave region of the Northwest Territories, Canada. It has become an important part of the regional economy, and producing approximately 7.5 million carats (1,500 kilograms) of diamonds annually. It is connected by an ice road and Diavik Airport. The lifespan of the mine is expected to be 16 to 22 years. 4. Meteor Crater, USA. Meteor Crater is a meteorite impact crater approximately 43 miles (69 kilometers) east of Flagstaff, near Winslow in the northern Arizona desert of the United States. It is about 1,200 meters in diameter, some 170 meters deep, and is surrounded by a rim that rises 45 meters above the surrounding plains. One of the interesting features of the crater is its squared-off outline, believed to be caused by pre-existing regional jointing cracks in the strata at the impact site. The crater is privately owned by the Beringer family, which proclaims it to be best preserved meteorite crater on Earth. 5. Kimberley Big Hole, South Africa. Kimberley City is the home of De Beers Consolidated Diamond Mines, some of the world's richest diamond mines, and digging began and soon plunged down into the earth to a depth of 1,100 meters to create what came to be known simply as the Big Hole. 28 million tons of dirt was removed, yielding 14.5 million carats of diamonds and resulting in the creation of the largest man-made hole in the world. It was here that the famous Star of Africa was found, a magnificent 83.5 carat diamond. 6. Pingualut Crater, Canada. The Pingualut Crater, Inuktitut, where the land rises, is located in the Ungava Peninsula of Quebec, Canada. It is 3.44 kilometers in diameter. The crater is exposed to the surface, rising 160 meters above the surrounding tundra and is 400 meters deep. It is one of the deepest lakes in North America. The lake also holds some of the purest fresh water in the world. 7. Tees Wang Crater, South Africa. Tees Wang is an impact crater in South Africa. This astrobleme is 1.13 kilometers in diameter and 100 meters deep. The impactor is believed to have been a chondrite or stony meteorite some 30 to 50 meters in diameter that was vaporized during the impact event. 8. Wolf Creek Crater, Australia. Wolf Creek Crater is a well-preserved meteorite impact crater astrobleme in Western Australia. The crater is central to the Wolf Creek Meteorite Crater National Park. The crater averages about 875 meters in diameter, 60 meters from rim to present crater floor, and it is estimated that the meteorite that formed it had a mass of about 50,000 tons. 9. Grasberg Mine, Indonesia. The Grasberg Mine is the largest gold mine and the third largest copper mine in the world. It is located in the province of Papua in Indonesia near Puncak Jaya, the highest mountain in Papua, and it has 19,500 employees. 10. Ekati Diamond Mine, Canada. The Ekati Diamond Mine, Ekati, is Canada's first surface and underground diamond mine. Between 1998 and 2009, the mine has produced 40 million carats, 8,000 kilograms, of diamonds out of 6 open pits. 11. Bingham Canyon Mine, USA. and covering 1,900 acres 770 ha. It was designated a National Historic Landmark in 1966 under the name Bingham Canyon Open Pit Copper Mine. 12. Super Pit, Australia. The Fimiston Open Pit, colloquially known as the Super Pit, is Australia's largest open-cut gold mine. The Super Pit is located off the Goldfields Highway on the southeast edge of Kalgoorlie, Western Australia. The pit is oblong in shape and is approximately 3.5 kilometers long, 1.5 kilometers wide and 570 meters deep. At these dimensions, it is large enough to be seen from space.